What's the deal, YouTube? We back at it again, and in today's tutorial I'm basically gonna be showing y'all how to fix your treble side. I know nobody's perfect, man. Everybody has a treble side, everybody has a weak side, everybody has a side that's just not coming in for some odd reason, man. Now what I got for y'all today is basically I'm gonna unrag like any other video, and I'm gonna show y'all my waves first. Then we're gonna get a little bit more into the talking. You know, real nice and simple. Now that y'all see my waves, we can get more into it without y'all thinking like, damn, this nigga even know what he talking about. Do we do this, do we that? All right, so off the rip, what I'm gonna do I'm gonna show y'all which side. This is my weak side right here. And I trouble a little bit in the back, but this is my weak side, man. As y'all can tell, this side is a little better. This is my weak side. But today we're going to be better on the weak side. You're going to get you a comb and just basically simply comb it out. That's the first thing we're going to do to this method, and then I'm going to show y'all the rest as we go along. I don't want to show y'all everything off the rip, because then all y'all going to do is just click off the video and think y'all know it all, when y'all really need to just sit down and watch. Make sure you comb in all angles, all your angles right. Now it's good to do this before a wash method, after a wash method, but preferably after a wash method is when it's really supposed to be used. And you guys are going to understand why in a bit. Make sure you fully combed out. Right now I am woofing. I'm a few weeks in. As y'all can see. A few weeks into the woof. And it's okay to comb back if you need to. That's how you break and loosen it, you know. Loosen the tension in your hair. You know, combing back against the grain helps because it sprouts the hair out. And it's not all tangled up. Feel me? Just basically get you a good comb out session, man. When y'all wavers are not combing enough, man. I'm not seeing enough combing, man. Alright, now that you fully combed out, you want to comb it right back down, man. Now I know y'all like, damn, get to the next step, but that's not what you want to do. You're not rushing into things, man. You want to take your time, be patient. In the long run, your time gonna come, man. It's gonna, that grind don't stop. In the long run, your time gonna come. So you gotta be patient with yourself, man. You gotta learn your ways. You gotta learn how to maintain them, how to get them to lay back down, how to comb them out, how to do all that, man. It's all a process. This is not a game. This is a sport. We do this for a living, man. We waving to better the community. You know how many people's finna cut their hair this summer, bro? Do y'all know how many people's finna cut their hair this summer? Too many people. All right, now that you fully comb back out, I know if y'all say if I comb again, I'm finna hurt him. I'm finna hurt him if he comb again. Nah, we can toss that up out the frame. We done with that part. Now, you're gonna take your brush, get you a nice little session in with your curve brush. This is a Curve Torino Pro, you know, nothing fancy, nothing too, you know, something light. Nice little curve brush. I forgot what number it is, but y'all can go watch that on my page. I got a brush review on this brush, so y'all can go tune into that if y'all want to see more deep in details about the brushes. Any brush that I got, I did a review on, so if y'all want to watch it, you can go tap in with my channel, scroll down, find the video, and it's right there, man. It's not too far down, it's not too, you know, not too far, and it's a nice good tutorials and showing y'all how the brushes is and more about the brushes that I use. But some new brushes is coming soon though, and we got some new reviews coming soon. So y'all just stay tuned, man. Nice, good heat coming. So right now you're not really gonna see too much waves because you combed out, combed against the grain, you combed back, and you just brushing it back down right now with nothing in it. I mean, if you do have something in it, it's fine, but it's pretty sure by now it should be already worn down and you should be putting something else in it. And worn down, I mean either sweated out or it's dried out. So I live somewhere where the weather is a little bit more drier. I gotta focus on, you know, keeping my hair a little bit more healthier, which means I need to grind harder and maintain it and stay on my waves. Which is why I like when y'all comment, y'all motivate me. Every time y'all comment and tell me something that motivates me to get up and go harder, man. I just, you know, make sure y'all hit the comments, give me some motivational speak, man. Let me know how my wave's been looking. Let me know if I've been stepping. Let me know, man. Don't be afraid to tell me if I fell off. Don't be afraid to tell me if, bro, you need to just pick the brush up a little bit more. It looks like your waves are different from your last video. Let me know that, man. Because I've been trying to put in this brush work. It's been hard, and I've been trying to get back on it. So now that I'm fully back on it, I ain't been trying to let it up. So we're going to just stay on that grind and get our waves back to looking how we wanted them to look. And what bettering with your weak side, man, I know right now I'm doing a full head. To better with that weak side, you need to just forget it's there. And what I mean by that, brush your whole head. If you focus on that one weak side, if y'all notice why I didn't say nothing about focusing on that one side, is because you need to brush your whole entire head. Stop trying to focus on one side. Brush on multiple sides. Multiple sides. It's all gonna play out. You can't give 100%, 50%, 30%, 10% in the back. You gotta give it your whole 100% each section that you brush. That's why when y'all seen, I didn't really focus on that one side. You need to focus on multiple sides. That's what you need to do. I didn't even get deep into that side yet, to my right side yet. I just want y'all to do these steps that I was doing in the beginning in order to get to that side. Now we're focusing on that right side. Right now we're just practically pretty much just laying everything down and getting it ready. A little bit of Cantu leave-in conditioner in there, man. I don't know if y'all can see it, but this is what we're gonna use right here. Cantu shea butter leave-in conditioner, intense moisturize. That's what we need, man. So what you want to do is you want to take a little bit of this, put it in your fingers, nice little chunk. it around, rub it around. Get it all over, man. See, we want to get it as moist as possible. This is a leave-in conditioner, so. A little bit more, because we're trying to get it real moist. Don't, you know, this is not one of the products where it's going to be a lot of buildup, but you just practically want to just get your hair moisturized, man. It's all about moisturize right now, because it's summer. You don't need all them caked up greases and stuff like that. You need to moisturize, something more, you know, smoothing, like how y'all seen how it came out. If y'all can see how this come out, it's not thick, it's smoothing. Something real smooth, like. Y'all gotta lay off them heavy products, man. It's starting to get summer, it's gonna be burning right out your scalp. By the way, that curved brush was a medium hard. Now I'm about to be using my medium brush right here. Just simply like that, nice little brush sessions, man. And what this doing is automatically getting the hair more softer and training it to lay down because it's more softer stuff in the head instead of something else that's not going to enhance the curl. That's why I use that curl enhancement smoothie, because it works really well. And honestly, I recommend that y'all switch to these type of products, man. PB Glow Butter is cool and all. Everything is good. I love the product, but right now I want to focus on something different. You don't always have to use it just because. You want to save it. You don't want to ruin it. You don't want the product to run out. You want to keep saving it. You want to save the product. You want to get your money's worth. That's why I haven't been really using the PB butter like that. I know a lot of y'all be asking, like, why haven't you used it? Does it work? Does it this? It works, man. I've done my whole get up on it. I've done my reviews. I did 2 reviews on it, man. It's a good ass product, man. It can never go wrong. It's worth it. It's worth the whole price for both, for one, all of that, man. So I need to do. If y'all do, y'all should check that out. He got some new flavors out too. I need to get to it, man. But yeah, right now we on that natural tip. Can too. Leave-in conditioner. We finna be using this way more often. I'm finna basically use that for the rest of this whole woof. I'm going about 9 weeks, if y'all haven't known. I'm going about 9 weeks. I'm about 4 weeks in. You know, woof just starting to kick off. You feel me? But a nice little short 9 week. I was gonna do longer, but can't do longer right now. I got some stuff going on, and I'm gonna need that cut. Y'all know how it feel when you need that cut, and you just need that cut, man. So now you want to go ahead and get your plastic bag. Give me 1 second. I'll bounce right back. Oh, back, man. You want to just get that plastic bag session in. I can already tell that it's giving my hair way more silkier, man. I could just see it. It gives off that look that it's more silkier. And sometimes you're better off with combing that. Start combing off on the sides that's weak. Like someone told me, maybe my hair a little bit more defined on the top than it is on the sides and the back. So now I'm gonna focus on. I'm still gonna brush my top, but my majority of my focus is still gonna be 100% on everything. But you know, when I start my brush sessions, I start off from the back and the sides. That way, it can already start off from there, and I still give everything my all. Always give everything your all. Don't just give one side your all, because then the next side gonna go weak. So I said, give everything your all, but a cool way to do it, still give everything your all. Just like that. What did I do? Instead of starting off on the top of my head that I know is already connected, I started off on my weak side. Get that in. Then I move to the back. Get your back. Because like I told you, my back is a little weak too. Then you move to your left side. Then you move to your top. Everything is still getting hit. You're just starting off on that side. So it can learn to, you know, boom. Start off every time on that side. So it's already getting that, it's learning to lay down. It's learning to curl up. It's learning to do that. And with these leave-in conditioners and more softer, creamier stuff, you know, like leave-in conditioner, you know, Cantu shea butter, leave-in conditioner, what's the other one that I use? Curl enhancement smoothie, that's a leave-in conditioner. Those are more smoothing for the hair. That's what you need to just, you know, it's a leave-in conditioner, so your hair stays conditioned. It's never a day where it doesn't stay conditioned, and it can be used as a main product. You don't have to double and put other products on top of it. This is one whole product itself. So now that you got your rag, pretty sure y'all know how to rag it up like how I told y'all. If you ain't seen it, go check it out, man. It's on my channel. I do it in every video. I show you how to rag y'all stuff up, man. If there's anything y'all want me to specifically make a video on, please follow my Instagram at ricothewaver. DM me. I will respond back. If I don't respond back instantly, I will get back to you to let y'all know, man. And don't be afraid to chop it up with me, man. Come chop it up with me. I'm cool peoples. I'm just like you outside this camera, man. So y'all can come chop it up with me. And I'm going to give y'all the game, man. Little quick stuff you just need. If you needed something quick that I haven't posted or something minor you just want to ask more questions on, or a video you want to ask more questions about and more deeper details about, it don't matter if you're a coarse hair, straight hair, medium texture, whatever, just come hit me and I'm going to help you out, man, because my tips help. It works for all wavers, man. So with that being said, make sure y'all hit the like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to turn on post notifications so y'all can get the next drop. And follow my Instagram at ricothewaver, man. Gang. Yeah, I was going to check out, but I realized my do-rag wasn't there. So now we got to get that right. And we out of here. Gang.